Hello, beautiful entities. I hope all is well with any and everyone who is witnessing this video. So, today I felt compelled to speak directly to you, to those of you who feel as though you do not meet the standard nor fit the status quo, and you may be feeling a little discouraged, a little out of place. Just to give you a little backstory, I am someone who has never quite fit in, nor did I desire to. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I grew up in the 80s and the 90s, actually on the borderline of Bushwick and Bed-Stuy. And, I want to preface this by saying that I enjoy, love many genres of music. But, growing up in the 80s and 90s in Brooklyn, New York, hip hop, rap was the, choice of many of my peers. And I enjoyed Guns N' Roses, Nirvana, Alice in Chains, so on and so forth, house music. So, I've always been a little different, didn't necessarily fit inside of that box. And I've always been okay with that. I didn't really need other people's validation. I had family members that were very supportive of me and how I thought, how I dressed. My uncle was a huge influence, with how I dressed. I mean, I was in junior high school. This is the 90s, mind you, rocking Dr. Martens. And at the time, the only groups that were rocking Dr. Martens were, some people. Yes, so the main demographics at the time that were, rocking Dr. Martens were people of the LGBT communities, were community and skinheads. So, yeah, I was different. And I was okay with that. I mean, I just wanted to let you know that we were not created to fit in. We were created to stand out, to set the standard, to help those individuals who feel as though they have to live up to someone else's expectations, groupthink, follow the trends, especially for the up and coming, generations. I'm a guardian to my niece, and, she's experiencing some, maybe teasing because we didn't raise her to follow the trends, to follow the leader. We raised her to dress how she feels comfortable. We are raising her not to think that you have to accentuate body parts. There's no self-objectification. We don't want that for her. And she stands strong. She wears her baggy clothes, her Timberlands. She's, her own entity. And that's what we're trying to raise. Children that are strong, especially us females, because we're already targeted. We're already told that we're not good enough. We need to enhance, alter, make up, cover up. And why? Why aren't we good enough as we naturally are? And that's no knock to people that wear makeup, no knock at all, to each its own. But at the same time, we must raise strong girls that will become strong women that will set the standard that I am okay as the Creator has made me, just like you are, our male counterparts. You're fine being who you naturally are. So why can't we be fine as we naturally are? So I just wanted to encourage those of you who may be feeling that, you don't fit in, you don't fit the status quo. Set your own expectations, set your own standards. You need to be happy with you first, because you look at you first. So I just wanted to, send some words of encouragement to all of you beautiful entities that are going to break the mold. You are going to set your own standards. The world is going to have to pay attention to you and what you bring forth, the positivity and the love and compassion and all the creativity that is within you. Uh, you're about to unleash it, and the world will take notice. So I hope this was encouraging, motivational, inspirational to someone and or many. I thank you all in advance for your love and support. And please, leave comments. Tell me about your experiences with not fitting in per se, and how do you handle it? What do you feel about it? Are you wishing that you did fit in, or are you good with exactly who you were created to be? Just curious to know. So please drop some comments. Please subscribe. Let's subscribe, and subscribe to each other's growth. Let's help each other out in this journey. And let's build a true community, a community of acceptance and love and support. So I wish you all love, peace, and may the Creator be with you all. Thank you.